I should be in frame and everything else should kind of be blurred. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay, and I gotta say, I had some time on my hands and I said, you know what, I'm going to play with portrait video on the Galaxy Note 10. So portrait video on the Galaxy Note 10 is fantastic. There is no other way to say it. We all know that the LG G8 and several other phones can do portrait video. It's called live focus video on Samsung. It's just portrait video. Blur out the background, you know, focus on me. So it's amazing. I don't know what else to tell you. The front and the rear I tested, and I like that you can change filters. You can actually do filters on there. So I wanted to show you some samples of the Galaxy Note 10's portrait video. It is stupendous, folks. It is absolutely incredible. One mode that I will be using to shoot video on the channel is the same mode that the Huawei Mate 20X can do, which is record video and make you in color and everything else in black and white. I think that is crazy awesome. But the difference is, it's actually a lot better on the Galaxy Note than it is the Mate 20X, because it really keeps you in frame. It keeps you in focus. I didn't do any kind of tap to focus or anything like that. It just locked in on me, and then if someone walked by me, it would color them in, keep me color, and keep the scene black and white. I thought it was totally amazing. I didn't really play with the camera when I first looked at the Note 10, but I am blown away by the portrait video that the Galaxy Note 10 can do. I like that the Galaxy Note 10 can shoot 4K, and I was actually doing this in 4K. I was doing portrait video in 4K. Fantastic. I definitely can use that phone to vlog with no hesitation. But it has different filters you can do. You can just do regular, where you keep everything color. It has this one where you can make everything look pixelated on this display. It was actually really cool. And the bad part is the setting I was in wasn't really, you know, the best of setting. It was lit too high. You know, it was blowing out sometimes. But I know for a fact, once I get that here, when my phone gets here, and the recording of this video, I still don't have my phone yet. I'm supposed to get it on the 22nd or the 23rd of August, and we are not there yet. So, but overall though, from what I could see from the photos that I took, and I'm focusing more on video though, the portrait video is absolutely stunning. I mean, given the circumstances, I think it did actually fantastic. I think it did amazing. So for those people that like to shoot vlogs and things like that, or just make something better about your footage, this feature on the Samsung device is absolutely stunning. I really wish that my Galaxy A70 can do it, but I know I'm reaching. So the G8 is another device that does portrait video, and it's on their phones. It's labeled portrait video, but wow, it is absolutely stunning on the G8. But I got to give credit where credit is due. The Galaxy Note 10's portrait video live focus is so sweet. It is absolutely great, man. So I took some samples, you know, and I thought, wow, I have got to share this with them. For those that were wondering about the live focus feature, if you think you won't use it, if you're a vlogger, you're gonna use this feature. No ifs, ands, or buts. The plus that it has over the G8 is the G8 only does it on the rear camera, and that's a huge problem because I need to see if I'm in focus. So every time that I've shot a video with portrait mode or portrait video on the G8, I made sure I just kind of stayed still and kind of positioned it the way I thought I would be in focus. And it just so happened that it worked out each time. But I like being able to look at the viewfinder on that 6.8-inch display or 6.3, whichever you decide to go with, and see myself in the portrait video and see exactly, you know, look at the view, see exactly what's going on with it. So, man, if you have not seen portrait video, I remember G8 does it, Huawei Mate 20X does it, there's probably plenty of other phones that do it. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10's portrait video, front and rear, if I didn't tell you which one was which, you'd be blown away by it, but you wouldn't be able to tell. But wow, I am telling you, I am surprised at how good the portrait video is on the Galaxy Note 10. So I want to give you a quick video. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. What do you guys think about portrait video on smartphones? Ultimately, what they're trying to do is get you to not buy a prime lens, you know, because the prime lens can do excellent portrait video. which is normally how I shoot a lot of my videos when I'm shooting downstairs. I put that prime lens on, post it up, but I'm on a crop sensor, so I have to push the camera a little bit farther back to really give you the more in view of the blurred background or whatever. But with the Galaxy Note 10, I foresee myself shooting a ton of footage for this channel with that phone. So get ready. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.